Alright, so this video is going to show you how to replace the key fob battery for a Toyota Camry. This is a 2017 Toyota Camry. You're going to place a coin right at that slot, so the bottom left when you're looking forward to it, and then we're going to open it up. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to open that right there with this notch using a penny. We're going to open it. But then be careful with this. We're going to flip it around, and then we're going to pull this out. So for this particular model, it does take a cr2016 battery. And if you're wondering and taking a look at each of these items right here, what you're going to see is you're going to see the polarity. So the polarity on this back cover shows that the positive is going to be on the top. So you're going to have two notches right here along with this conductor, and you're going to have that corner notch right here. So make sure when you place it in, you feel it snug, and it may feel like it fits there perfectly. So keep on trying. And then when we put it back together, we're going to close it. And again, if you were to look from the front here, we're going to go ahead and make sure that it snaps, and then the coin goes into the top right portion right here, and then we are going to place it back in, close it, make sure everything snaps in correctly.